Hi, I'm Sue Walker, and I'm going to show you frosting recipes for cookies. The ingredients are 1 stick of softened butter, 2½ cups of powdered sugar, 1 to 2 tablespoons of milk, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. If you need a lot of frosting, you can certainly double the recipe. The first thing you want to do is soften your butter. After your butter is softened, put it in your mixing bowl. Add your powdered sugar to your butter and start mixing it very slowly. The reason I say slowly is because your powdered sugar will fly all over the place if you go too fast. Then add your milk and your vanilla and mix that in. Now you want to test the consistency of your frosting. If it's just right, then it's ready to use. But if it's not quite thick enough, you might have to add a little bit more powdered sugar. And just keep adding it until you get the right consistency. You can also make different flavored frostings by adding all kinds of things like lemon juice, orange juice. You can melt some chocolate. There's all kinds of things you can use. Just use your imagination. And if after adding these things your frosting gets thin again, just add more powdered sugar. And those are some frosting recipes for cookies.